everybody, it's me, Ernest P. Worrell, aka Sail Earth here, and today I'm going to talk about, the burp, because it really does need to be talked about. Now, we've been burping in our videos, or the burps have been going on since spring, going through summer, going into autumn, and from when it looks it might go into winter. Why are we burping? Well, everybody has a theory to why we're burping. Some people might say, well, what is burping? Gas that is caught between the stomach and the esophagus. Mostly oxygen that you breathe while either eating or drinking. And also some of the things you drink and some of the things you eat can be carbon-sided. Well, like soda and beer, for example. Now, some people might think, are these burps planned? Is it a part of our gimmick of our channel? No, certainly not. None of us sat down and said, well, looks like we ain't that, looks like we better find something to make our YouTube channel more popular. Oh, I know, burping. I mean, it's funny. Someday we'll go through certain days where certain videos where there are no burping, and other videos where there is burping. But at least we apologize for burping. I know there are some people on YouTube who do bodily functions and don't apologize for them. I mean, there are some users out there who do not apologize for burping or coughing or sneezing or farting or hiccuping or burping. They'll either do it, continue off their video, or some of them will then edit it out. Some of them will go into Sony Vegas or Microsoft Windows Movie Maker or Apple's Macintosh iMovie or Final Cut or YouTube Editor or Cyberlink Power Director, for example, or MakiCam. Some of them will go into that, cut it out, and say, whoa, it never happened. Well, first off, I'm going to say that I apologize for all the burping. I mean, there's not one video that I don't think that we ever apologized for our burping, because we do. See, there it goes again, and that's the second burp in the video. And by the end of the video, there's going to probably be a lot more burping. But I'm here to say that I don't know why we're burping. It's not like we drink soda in the morning. I mean, in the morning we drink water, and then we drink soda. But for some reason it doesn't really seem to matter what we drink or don't drink, because the burping happens. It's usually water, soda. Sometimes it's water, and then sometimes it's iced tea. And sometimes it's even, milk or chocolate milk. But regardless of all that, it doesn't really seem to play a role. Now, some people might say, oh, maybe it's what you're eating. Well, maybe it's the fact that we eat too much. Yeah, it is true that we eat in the morning, we eat breakfast in the morning, and then sometime we get the urge we're going to eat something else in the morning too, because we just can't wait for 12 or something. But regardless of all that, that shouldn't be playing a role in the burping. Whatever the case is, we apologize for the burping. For any of you internet trolls or cyberbullies out there that want to claim, oh, we're this or that for burping, well, you're going to try to contradict us. Well, we go back to every one of our videos when this burping problem started, and you'll see that we apologize for every one of our burps. But I know you people are going to say, oh, you should edit that out. Oh, you should have used, I don't know, you should have edited that out. When you think we were really going to do that? No. Because that's realistic. Yes, I know that burping and sneezing and farting and coughing, hiccuping are bodily functions. At least I am generous and considerate enough to apologize for such actions, especially on YouTube. I apologize for it in real life when it happens. So I apologize off of YouTube for as well. There are users out there that will not apologize for it, and they will edit it out. Why I burp, don't know. Do we apologize for our burps? Yes. Are the burps planned? No, we don't sit there and plan out our burps and say, hey, we're going to do it by purpose. We're going to go, and start burping in our videos. Sorry for that burp, see? There goes a third burp. We apologize for that. We don't plan any of these burps out. They just happen. I don't know why they happen. Everybody's got theories. You know. So that's about it. Sailor Earth, Ernest P. Worrell. Hope you enjoyed the video. You know what I mean?